¡Encontré a la Pan Organizer! ¡Qué emoción! Cristian, corre, corre, corre. Mira, Pan Organizer. Eso es como ver, no sé, a Daddy Yankee, a Wisin y Yandel, algo así, tú sabes. Ya tú sabes. Le decimos que somos de todos de Puerto Rico. No hay, se acabaron. A Juan.
You were super careful about that.
Yeah.
You only get like 1 bill. I don't know what the big deal is.
What?
You only get like 2 views.
Yeah.
Same values. Like Latinos for me are like Greeks. For us, family, very important. Being kind to people, smiling, come here, come eat.
Ay, yo le quiero tomar fotografía.
Yeah, sure.
You don't have merch.
No, a bit too complicated.
Right on top. Okay, and I take this stand and wash it. Because this goes on the dolly. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the show. Enjoy this crazy big community that comes from
Yeah,
Puerto Rico here.
this is Pan Puerto Rico for
How are
you.
you?
This is other Pan.
Everybody, I love it.
Yeah.
So Latino support.
Yes.
So all of you guys have been so great with me. I really appreciate it. It's good.
It's very good.
Is this your first time at SEMA?
No.
It's crazy. It's the 4 days now. Yeah. So many people around, but thankfully this year, all the detailing is here in West Hall pretty much. So like 95%, everything is in this line. So it's easier because before you had to go one building, another building, and you're walking miles and miles. So how long have you been following the channel? Long time or short?
A long time.
Long time. Yeah.
What do
So
you
years.
promote the beat maker, the money maker?
For that long, yes, money maker, absolutely. So you guys own a shop or more DIY?
Me, I'm detailer shop. This is my customer. It's my customers, but it's a detailer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very cool.
Yeah.
So for a while, the guys at the rag company, which are over
Yeah,
there.
it's a supplier for the record.
Very good. They're such nice people. And when they had introduced us the bead maker, it's not, we don't use it for durability, right?
Yeah.
So it's gloss and slickness.
Yeah.
And when Levi had said, put your hand. And I was like this.
Oh my God.
It's so good. And Dave, the chemist at ENS, they make their own stuff.
Yeah.
Same thing with Wax, they blend their own products. So although many companies use, I'd say, third-party blenders, which is okay, no problem, but some use their own chemists. So I have a lot of respect when they formulate their own stuff because they can improve and get better. And so it's nice to see all that. Nice to see you in person.
Oh my
You want pictures?
Yes, of course.
You can't come all the way here and not have a souvenir. We're filming too?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the camera. Is that a video?
Oh,
or-
it's too okay.
What is this?
This is my channel on YouTube.
Your channel on YouTube?
Yeah.
Hi to all her subscribers.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. So mainly from Puerto Rico, right?
Yeah, this is
Hola. That's un poquito español for me, I'm sorry.
Okay, but do I am invited to Puerto Rico when you're going to meet? So you tell me.
Perfect. What's your
My
company name?
house is your house.
Oh, thank you. That is so kind. What's your business name?
UM Distributors.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Do you
Do you
distribute
have?
turtle wax?
No, I don't have
I can hook you up.
it.
Yeah, 'cause
Do
they
you
have-
have signing this?
I can sign, yes.
Okay.
Let me get a pen.
Dame, ¿quieres que te lo firme? Dale.
Esto es mejor.
¿Ah? ¿Esto? Ah. Espérate, te firmo a ti estos dos, ¿verdad? ¿Qué? La de Quíen.
So this is the
I'm signing this.
This, you want this and this?
No, this
Here,
for
okay.
me.
Anywhere?
Yeah, anywhere.
There you go.
Thank you.
You want this one too? This will give you backstage pass everywhere.
Yeah,
Everywhere for free.
okay. For all party, okay.
There you go. Thank you. My pleasure, guys.
What is the person for representative for
Yes, I can introduce you.
for Caribbean?